Formulas, equations and chemical reactions, part 4. Part 4. Chemical equation and categories. Contents. Chemical equation definition. Let's write a chemical equation. Let's balance a chemical equation. Balancing a chemical equation. Categories of chemical reactions. Synthesis or direct combination reactions. Decomposition reactions. Single replacement reactions. Double replacement reactions. Chemical equation definition. Chemical equations provide recipes for carrying out a chemical equation. Example, methane gas reacts to oxygen to produce carbon dioxide and water with heat. Let's write a chemical equation. Methane gas CH4 reacts with oxygen gas to produce carbon dioxide gas and liquid water and heat. Let's write a chemical equation for this. First, we write a word equation. Methane gas plus oxygen gas, carbon dioxide gas plus water, liquid plus heat. Here, methane and oxygen are reactants and carbon dioxide and water are products. An arrow separates reactants from products and the phases of the substances are included in parentheses. For solid, we use S, liquid L and gas G is used. Then we replace the name of each substance by its formula. For methane we use CH4, for oxygen we use O2, for carbon dioxide we use CO2, for water we use H2O plus heat, and that is our chemical equation. Let's balance a chemical equation. To balance a chemical equation, we must keep in mind that all the chemical equations must obey three conservation laws. Conservation of mass, conservation of energy, and conservation of electric charge. That means that the total mass, energy, and electric charge of the reactants must be equal to the total mass, energy, and electric charge of the products. Balancing a chemical equation. Let's start with the inspection of the following equation. CH4 gas plus O2 gas, arrow CO2 gas plus H2L plus heat. Did you find something wrong? Yes, the number of hydrogen atoms and oxygen atoms are not equal on both sides. Let's correct this. To correct this equation, we use coefficient, a number that is placed before a substance to indicate how many units of the substance we need. Now we proceed to balance faulty equation. First, we drop the heat term since it will not play a direct part in what we do. Balancing a chemical equation. Second, we have 4 hydrogen atoms on the left, so we must produce 4 on the right. Since hydrogen atom is only in H2O, so we need 2 H2O to account all the hydrogen. CH4 gas plus oxygen gas, arrow carbon dioxide gas plus 2 H2O liquid. This equation is now balanced for hydrogen. Next, we count the oxygen atom and find that on the right we have 4 oxygen atoms, 2 from carbon dioxide and 2 from H2O. We can easily produce 4 oxygen atoms on the left side by using 2O2. So our next equation would be CH4 gas plus 2O2 gas separated by an arrow carbon dioxide gas plus 2H2O liquid. This is our balanced equation. Yeah, we did it. It's called an equation balanced with smallest whole number coefficients. Categories of chemical reactions. There are 4 categories of chemical reactions: synthesis or direct combination reactions, decomposition reactions, single replacement reactions, and double replacement reactions. Synthesis or direct combination reactions. In this category, reactions in which 2 or more reactants combine to produce one product are involved. It can be written in this form: X plus Y is equal to XY. Example: Fe solid plus Cl2 gas separated by an arrow FeCl2S. Decomposition reactions. A decomposition reaction involves the breakdown of a single reactant into 2 or more products. It can be written in this form: AB decomposed in A and B products. Example, 2H2O2 in liquid phase decomposed into water and oxygen gas. Single replacement reaction. In a single replacement reaction, an uncombined reactant replaces another element that is part of a compound. It can be written in this form: C plus Ed, arrow Cd plus E. Example, Zn means zinc in solid phase reacts with CuSO4 in aqueous solution and replace copper from CuSO4 and makes ZnSO4 aqueous solution. Single replacement reactions occur only under certain conditions. For example, the replacement of zinc by copper, the reverse of the reaction will not occur. Since zinc replaces copper from solution, it is said to be more active metal than copper, means zinc will form a positive ion easily than will copper. Double replacement reactions. In a double replacement reaction, two elements in different compounds replace each other. It can be written in this form: PQ plus RS arrow PS plus RQ. Example, BaNO3 का whole twice in aqueous solution plus Na2SO4 aqueous solution arrow BaSO4 solid plus 2NaNO3 aqueous. Double replacement reactions also occur under certain conditions. At least one product must form a solid known as precipitate, a gas, or a molecular compound. Above reaction happens because of precipitate of BaSO4 forms.